Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joyce here. In today's video, I'm gonna clarify something about the raw hair version here of our Chinese hair. As we know that all Chinese hair is in a straight texture, like this bone straight texture. If you look at Chinese women's hair, you will see that they wear a very long and straight hair texture, and some of them may have a wavy or curly hair that is processed in the salon and by people. To achieve a body wave or curly or whatever this type of hair, we have to process, and we actually using a steam process to achieve this texture. Many people actually have the doubt that if it's a raw hair or if you have processed it, if you have steamed this hair, why you call it raw hair or virgin hair. So let me explain you this way. So in a hair factory, we have many type of hairs. The most common hair is first non-remy hair, second remy hair, and third is the raw or virgin hair. In Chinese we call it braid hair, and these are three type of hairs. And these three type of hair are to make all type of hair products. For example, the wig made of the non-remy hair, we'll call it non-remy hair wig. The wig made of the braid or virgin hair wig, we will call it virgin hair wigs. Of course, to make a wig, it requires many process like washing the hair, ventilating the hair, or to process some part of the hair so that the hair will be less easier for tangling. But it doesn't mean that the hair quality will change. A wig made from the raw hair will always be the raw hair wig. It will not become a remy hair wig just because the hair is being steamed to a different texture. So the hair character is actually decided at the very beginning of the hair, from the time it is sourced. Remy hair and non-remy hair are sourced with cuticle not aligned, and virgin hair or raw hair is usually cut from the ponytail, and the cuticle direction is on the same direction. Remy hair or the hair was at the beginning was not on the same direction, but with a machine and other artificial actions to make it on the same direction. So raw hair or virgin hair are very different from the beginning. To make this crystal clear, we have leave important notice on our website that when you purchase a body wave or other texture, we have leave important notice that all these hair are actually customized from Chinese raw virgin hair, which is a straight hair. We use steam perm process to achieve this texture. If you care about this process, do not place the order, and you can also place order of Chinese raw hair in straight texture, which is a naturally straight texture. Its original texture and status, and you can make the texture by yourself. We will still call it raw virgin hair because it's born to be raw virgin hair, because it's ponytail hair. It will not become a remy hair or non-remy hair just by processing it to be hair products like wigs or bundles or clothes. Hopefully I explained it clearly and you can understand me well. And thanks for your watching. If you're new to this channel, make sure subscribe my channel, and we'll share everything about the hair. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.